Using cotton swabs to make a little house are parents all over the country making houses recently. The warm little house tutorial is here again. At the beginning, each shape has its dimensions, so pay attention to that. Make a small stove. This one doesn't have dimensions, just make it yourself. Then roll a chimney and use a rolling pin to secure it. Let's cut the cotton swabs and start sticking them. At first, I placed them in bunches, but it was too messy, so later I placed them one by one for a neater look. Also, if you don't want to use cotton swabs, you can use colored clay or wet toilet paper rolled into balls, and once dry, you can stick them on. For the roof, we also use the sticks from the cotton swabs. It looks quite nice standing up like that, right? I realize that the homework assigned by the school is not for the students, but for us parents. Do you feel the same? Parents, make sure to follow me to help you solve the school's craft homework problems. Do you think we should paint the house a color?